Welcome, crypto friends. This is Crypto Ken welcoming you to session number 2 of Crypto 101. As you know, these sessions, there's 7 of them, and they are designed to help folks who have never had any experience with cryptocurrency get an idea of where to get information about this space. Again, this particular space is a very crazy, like wild westy kind of thing going on now, but it's a great opportunity for financial gain. This is not financial advice, so you need to do your own research before investing in any coin or platform. Never invest more than you are prepared to lose. All cryptocurrency operates in an unregulated space, and only you are in sole control of your money. That said, we're going to jump right into session 2. We talked about the blockchain and Bitcoin in session 1, and we mentioned altcoin. There's a little bit of homework that I assigned for you all to go out and kind of start looking at altcoins. So we're going to go ahead and just assume that happened, and we are going to jump right into the crypto market. We're going to see that currently it's sitting at 168 billion, and really because I'm doing this same video, I'm doing this video the same day I did the session 1, so nothing has really changed, but I want everybody to kind of get used to seeing that when you start going out and doing your research and going to YouTube and finding people that you want to follow in this crypto space. Everybody really is going to start with this market cap. They're going to go over kind of where the cap is. They're going to go over what the Bitcoin dominance are. They might dive down into the top 10, top 20 coins, look at, if there's gains or losses, and kind of depending on what you're looking at in that particular space. Remember, we had talked about altcoins, so I have put up another link for you in the description for this website called CryptoCompare. This is a great website because what this website allows you to do is go in and check out all the coins that are out there in the market, and you can see that on a dashboard type of view. Very simply, Bitcoin, of course, always number one. But what's happening here is what you're seeing is actual live trading. So right now, Bitcoin is sitting at was trading at about 56.25. We talked about algorithms in the first one, right? We talked about Bitcoin being an algorithm. Well, this site is great because it shows you what type of algorithm these particular coins have. And remember, we talked about proof of work and proof of stake. It also tells you what kind of coin it is, if it's a proof of work coin, or a proof which is mined, or if it's a proof of stake coin which is held in wallets. And then just to kind of give you a little bit of an overview on this site, this is just the hourly change of the 24-hour change in trading, and then this is the sites that they're trading on. Just really quick on this particular site, you can, if you click on the coin itself, it's going to take you to a spot where it's going to get, or to a page that's going to show you where a trading view. So this is the 1 day. You can change it to an hour. You can change it to a week. You can change it to whatever you want to do to look at it. So this is by the hour, or is that it's going down, and there's a lot of, if you want to get into trading, there's a lot of really great folks out there that have trading of YouTube videos, and I would suggest just kind of typing in crypto or trading Bitcoin, beginner trading Bitcoin, anything to that nature, and you'll find people that's all they do. I'm not a trader, so I'm not gonna pretend that I'm gonna help you trade, because I can't, because I don't even know how to do it myself. But just want to give you all more information on how you can kind of learn about this space and what's going to so you can make the best decision and to get involved. Remember, proof of work coin has to be mined. So there's a link in the description to Genesis Mining. Genesis Mining is a cloud mining platform that allows you to buy mining contracts, and you can mine Bitcoin, you can mine Ethereum, you can mine Monero, you can mine a number of different coins on there, and so you don't have to set up these crazy rigs, right? Because if you want to be a miner yourself, which you can do, you're going to have to go out and buy a GPU, a CPU. You're going to have fans. There's going to be a lot of expense with electricity. But if you so desire, that is something you could actually you can do, and you can earn your coins that way if you'd like. The other, again, we had talked about staking. So I stake the BitConnect coin because I'm involved in BitConnect, which we'll get into a little bit in this video and a lot more in another video. But the BitConnect coin, as you see, if you stake it, it's going to tell you that by staking the coin, these are the rewards. You're going to get 8% per month by just holding on to the coin. And what that does is that coin basically you get paid for securing the network by you holding on to that coin and not trading it or not using it for spending it or doing something like that with the coin. You're actually getting a reward for it. Every 15 days you will get your remember I said proof of stake there, that is right there. You'll see your proof of stake. Every 15 days you get the 8%. If you're interested in really going into a crazy space, which is known as the ICO space, the initial coin offering. So these are coins that don't have any kind of backing behind them yet. They're just like a couple of people or a team of people that have come up with an idea, and they're going to submit a coin. Because remember when we went to that that coin market cap here, and we see that there was 1,193 coins. Well, this is where this comes from. There's multiple coins that are going to hit the market, so to speak, and every one of them is going to have some sort of disruptive idea that can be used on the blockchain. They may be riding on top of the Bitcoin blockchain, the Ethereum blockchain, or they may create a blockchain of their own. So, but if you're interested in that, there's a link and you can that I leave in there, and you can go ahead and link onto this, and then you just open these up, and you can dig into them and figure out whether maybe you want to become a person who invests in ICOs. It's just like investing in IPOs. It's just like investing in initial public offerings. This is an ICO is kind of a combination of crowdfunding and coin funding at the same time. So it's a very it came out basically because of the cryptocurrency. So something that you can get involved in. It tells you how you can do it once you start going onto their sites, and you'll see as you start going on these websites, you'll start seeing multiple things about going on, and crowdfunding and crowd sales and all these different things. And so just be prepared for that. As we go into, and once they do have those, once they do make it to the exchange, this particular exchange is called Bittrex. So if you want to make money trading, then what you want to do is get a Bittrex account. There's a number of different exchanges out there. Again, do your research, figure out what works for you. Bittrex is a US-based account, so I like that. They've got pairings between Bitcoin, and you're going to really have to get used to knowing what these symbols are. So BTC, Bitcoin, ETH, Ethereum. So you can go back and forth. So really, really simple. You click on your the pairing is what it's called, and you can then go and you can buy Ethereum with Bitcoin, and you can sell Ethereum once if you have it to Bitcoin, and then it would go into your wallets over here, and you would you have an Ethereum wallet, a Bitcoin wallet, whatever wallet. There's multiple wallets. Every coin, again, every coin has its own wallet. So that's one thing you really need to make sure that you're careful of when you're sending coins around. That's a big thing. Make sure that you're sending if you're sending and receiving coins, you want to make sure that you're sending and receiving them to the proper wallets, because if they get lost out there in blockchain's crazy space, you'll never get it back. So you got to be very, very careful. Lastly, kind of what you can do in this space, because we went over mining and wallets, staking and wallets, the trading, and then the ICOs is going into what are called high yield investment platforms. I particularly like this platform here, the BitConnect platform. We're involved in this. As a disclaimer, just to let you know, I have I've got about $11,000 invested in this thing, and we get daily interest payouts. We can go into and we can see our volatility software, and we can see daily what we're getting, what we've been paid and what we have coming. Averages out about between 9 and 1% daily. So, but we'll get definitely the last session. We're going to get more detailed into this site if anybody really wants to join and get earning on that. So this whole space, this whole thing is really about earning cryptocurrency. It's about earning Bitcoin, earning Ethereum, and then being able to take that and either spend it as it is. So Bitcoin, you can use it to spend with, let's see, Expedia takes it, Overstock.com takes it. You can, there's some places that only take Bitcoins because they're really trying to make that coin a standard. So it's really about kind of stacking coins is what they say. But that's it. If again, I'm gonna go ahead and give everybody their homework assignment. I'm gonna call it a call to action, not homework. Okay. So what I want you to do is to go on CryptoCompare. All right, and I want you to find a proof of work coin and a proof of stake coin and kind of understand the difference, and then dig around and understand mining pools, staking, trading, ICO, hypes. You'll see good, bad, indifferent information on all of them. Again, you have to do your own research. You have to do what you feel is right for you. Anything that you put into this space, you're gonna, you have to be prepared to lose. So I'm gonna go ahead again in the description. I'm gonna go ahead and give you the CoinDesk link, which is, we didn't really go over that. We went over that in the first video, but the coin market cap, the CryptoCompare, and then Coinbase. We're going to go ahead and put that link in there too, because the next video number 3, is how we actually buy this cryptocurrency, so we can actually get in and start playing with these coins. Okay, again, this is Crypto Ken. So glad that you could join me and I could join you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, to like the video, so you know when I've uploaded the next session. And then again, if you want to follow me on Facebook, it's Crypto Ken. Again, it's Crypto Ken. Just ask to be Crypto Ken's friend on Facebook. I'd be more than happy to answer questions there as well. As always, be safe out there. And this is Crypto Ken out.